Have you ever wondered how tiny, invisible various could hold the key to a healthy gut and provide relief from a troublesome condition like diarrhea? Well, today we're going on an extraordinary journey to uncover the hidden power of probiotics, the superhero of our digestive system. Get ready to dive into the captivating story that will shed light on their remarkable abilities and how they can help with diarrhea and promote gut health. Hi there, curious minds. Welcome back to Parenting Paradise channel. Today we are about to embark on an adventure that will take us deep into the microscopic world of the probiotics. But we won't just present you with the scientific facts right away. Instead, we'll weave a captivating tale that will transport you into a realm where these tiny superheroes reside. Imagine, if you will, a hidden kingdom within us, an extraordinary world teeming with life and bustling activity. Welcome to Diarrhea, a vibrant and thriving community nestled within our digestive system. In this kingdom, trillions of microorganisms coexist, each playing a unique role in maintaining the delicate balance of our gut. Among these microorganisms, the most powerful various are the probiotics, tiny beings with extraordinary abilities. They are the guardian of the Diarrhea, working tirelessly to protect and promote the health of our digestive system. From the moment we were born, these superheroes take up residence in our gut, ready to battle against harmful bacteria and maintain harmony within. But even the mighty Diarrhea is not immune to trouble. At times, a disturbance arises. Diarrhea is a condition that brings discomfort and disruption to the kingdom. But fear not, for the probiotics rise to the challenge. These remarkable superheroes have shown their prowess in combating diarrhea and restoring balance to the Diarrhea. The battle against diarrhea is a common struggle, but probiotics can be our allies in this fight. They work by crowding out harmful bacteria, producing active microbial substance, and strengthening the gut lining. By doing so, they help restore balance, alleviate symptoms, and promote gut health. Incorporating probiotic into our daily routine is simpler than you might think. Probiotic-rich food like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi can provide a natural source of these superheroes. Alternatively, high-quality probiotic supplement can be a convenient option. However, it's crucial to choose a strain that have been well researched and proven effective for diarrhea management. So my friends, as we reach the end of this enlightening journey, let's remember the power of probiotics, the superheroes residing within us. By embracing their benefits, we can restore balance, promote gut health, and find relief from the discomfort of diarrhea. Please subscribe channel, leave a comment, and like this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.